Alright, so we have this lab create a website, and well, I'm not gonna really go through all the reading. So start lab. Let's see if I can do this while talking, because I do mostly thinking while I'm really quiet. Alright. Okay, you have just installed IIS on the server, and now you need to create a website and do some initial configuration of the server and the website. Complete the following task. So we need to create a website name internet. I don't know. Still not done loading. Yeah, all that fun stuff. Sounds like a whole lot of pain. So to create a website, we go to Start, Administrative Tools, and then the Internet Information Services, or IIS Manager. Loading slow. Okay, let's go ahead and maximize it by hitting the little square button. We're going to click on the server portion and then add a website. Name it intranet. Weird. Then the physical path will be w colon for backslash intra web. That's configure the website to use HTTP for all IP addresses and port 80. So all assigned port 80, that's fine. And then use a host header of internetesim.com. So we're going to use that header. Okay, so click OK. And scroll this bigger, the little plus sign, and you should see your new website right there. That's your website. Okay, so we need to go into DNS and create an A record in the esim.com zone. So we'll go to Start, Administrative Tools, DNS, and then go to the forward lookup zones, and that's the esim. Right click on the esim, new host A. We're going to name it that, intranet, or whatever it's called, intranet. And then we're going to give it the IP address of 192.168.1.100, and just add the host. We don't need to create a PTR record or the DNS record, nothing with all that fun stuff. So just go ahead and click add, click OK, click done. We can close out of here. We're done with that. For the internet website, edit the default document. So we got to go click on that thing, click on the default document, and then click add, type in home.htm, and make it the first. So it's already on top, so it's already the first. Use index.htm next if home isn't found. So index htm, then go ahead and move up, click yes in order for the to make changes. You can read it. Click up one more time, and that's 1, and that's 2, and then limit the website to 100 connections. So just click on the internet to go back into this internet homepage thing, and then scroll down on the right side, and where it's under it says configuration, click on limits, click on limit, check mark the limit number of connections, which we want to give it to 100. Go ahead and type in 100, click OK, and then configure server I use one log per site. So we got to configure the server. So we go ahead and click on the SLDC1 esim.com administrator, and where is it? Should be under logging right there, logging. So we're going to enable this one site, use 1 log per site. Yeah, that's it. 1 log per site. W3C format, which is already there, and record only the following fields: date, time, all that fun stuff. So select fields. There's the date, there's the time, there's the IP or the client IP address, username. We don't need that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So we want the bytes sent and bytes received. We don't need time taken or user agreement. That's the only ones we need. So date, time, current IP address, username, bytes sent, bytes received. Click OK. Save the log files in Okay, so browse, go to computer, go to internet, and then we go to logs. And once you see logs at the bottom, just click OK. And that should be, or you can type it in manually, either way works. We have to start a new log every hour. So the schedule, we change that to hourly. Everything else we leave alone. We click apply on the top right, and that's it. Okay, so create the following virtual directories and internet websites. So go back into your internet, right click, and add virtual directory. We're gonna do accounting, research, all that fun stuff. So w/accounting. Click OK. Again, right click, add directory, and we're going to do research this time. I'm going to do this for all 3 of them. And sales too. So just copying it, pasting, makes life easier for this lab. And then enable directory browsing on the research virtual directory. Include at least the date and extension information. So click on the plus sign for interact. You should see research, which is the one that we want to go into, and you should see that same looking thing. So click on directory browsing, hit enable, and it says at least, so we can pretty much leave it how it is, because extension and date, we can do that or leave it clicked off or something like that, checked off. Just hit apply once you enable. I don't think it does, but you can leave it like how it is. So we're done with this lab. Click done, and ta-da! You did everything from this lab, and I was talking to you guys. I sound a little tired. Anyways, wow, this lab took 8 minutes to do. So enjoy this one for all you guys wanted me to talk or something.